Definitely gets your heart pumping, this hike.
Definitely gets it pumping. Dumping.
This is Mount Owen, the highest peak in the Kahurangi National Park and one of our favourite 2-day hikes here in New Zealand. There are 2 marked tracks from the car park up to Granity Pass Hut.
So lush and green.
But be warned, they are both incredibly steep. After 4 hours, we reached the hut. Yes! A gorgeous 12-bed bunk with beautiful views. It's another 3 hours one way up to the summit, past these beautiful tarns, but it is an unmarked route, so make sure you follow the cairns. The glaciated limestone rock has given us these incredible rock formations and hidden cave systems, but be careful of the deep crevasses. Once you're up, the 360-degree view from the top is absolutely incredible. And when you're ready, head back to where you came.